Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Hit That Cookie line by Mike Vapes. Hit That Cookie is a line from the Hit That Juice collection created by YouTube vape reviewer Mike Vapes. The 80VG 20PG line is crafted with USB grade ingredients and is available in 60 milliliter bottles in 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine. Macadamia Nut Cookie is a rich blend of white chocolate chunks and macadamia nuts loaded into a perfectly golden baked cookie. For the smell, I get mostly white chocolate with hints of cookie. I get a sweet blast of white chocolate on the inhale, which turns to macadamia nuts with sweet cookie lingering on the finish. S'mores is sweet and gooey marshmallow and chocolate smashed between 2 graham crackers. I get strong notes of milky chocolate for the smell. For the inhale, I get creamy notes of marshmallow switching to graham cracker. Sweet milk chocolate dominates on the exhale. Pistachio Cookie is a combination of sweet California pistachios and golden baked cookies. The smell has top notes of sweet pistachios. I get sweet pastry notes on the inhale with sweet pistachios on the finish. Hit That Cookie is another excellent line from the collection. I've tried the Hit the Donut line and I was an instant fan. Pistachio Cookie is very sweet and the pistachio flavor lasts long after the vape. S'mores is my favorite flavor of the line, not only because I'm a chocoholic, but the flavor combinations were very rich and creamy. Macadamia Nut Cookie was a fun ride of sweet flavors taking predominant turns during the vape, while complementing each other during the transitions. Overall, an excellent line with strong, rich notes. If you'd like to try the line for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.